What we have here is a 720cc Cub Cadet 33-inch cutter. Okay. I cut grass with it. I usually cut grass with it until I cut grass with it one day. I parked it. Came out 3 days later, tried to start it again, it wouldn't start. And when I parked it, this was kind of froze. No, when I tried to start it again, this is kind of froze. Put some grease on it or whatever, and it started working. That started working again, the starter. I'm kind of thinking the starter is bad, but I don't know. Has a lot of spark. Has a lots of spark. Took the carburetor apart, cleaned it off from the bone, all the, all those shot shoots and stuff. Changed the oil. Has gas in it. And this is what it does.